is connected with heart, and then this blood which contains some important and nutritious material, then once again it moves towards the heart for the purification. Once again heart pumped it, purified it, means oxygen is added to it, and once again it is used. So single particle or single molecule of nutrients does not come out. This is the function of nephron, the big function. Okay, and so remember this thing, that the minerals like sodium, potassium, phosphorus, phosphate, glucose, etc., once again it return back to the body. This is the function of nephron. So structure and function of nephron, you have to draw it. It is a 4-mark or 3-mark question. So please repeat this again and again. That's it. Now another important topic is structure and function of nephron. You know that there is a pair of kidney. Each kidney contains 10 lakhs uriniferous tubule, which are found in nephron. Each kidney contains 10 lakhs uriniferous tubules, which are found in nephron. So here we are going to learn about nephron, their structure and function, another important topic. See here, this is Bowman cap. Bowman is the name of scientist. U-shape known as Henle's loop, and then it is the collecting tubules. See, you have to draw it with big diameter, not the small one. Collecting tubules. Okay, this is now from here renal artery, fine vessels of renal artery enters. This fine vessels of renal artery, inside it, when it enters, then make a very fine structures known as glomerulus. This is called cluster of fine vessels. Then it comes out. It comes out and spread it over this region. And then lastly meet in the renal vein. Now you can draw randomly, but remember these veins are fine, that means very thin and fine vessels. You can draw in any way. So here a net-like structure is formed. See, this is Bowman cap, a cup shape, Bowman's capsule or called cap. Inside it, the fine vessel, a cluster of fine vessel is known as glomerulus. This is the neck of the Bowman cap. The U-shaped region is known as Henle's loop. Henle is name of scientist. From here, urine is collected, so it is called collecting tubule. This collecting tubule enter into the ureter. Remember, collecting tubule touch with or connected with ureter. Now this total Bowman cap, combination of Bowman cap and glomerulus, is known as Malpighian body. This is renal artery. This is renal vein. Now see, from the renal artery, deoxygenated blood along with urea, uric acid, fatty acid, some glucose, some amino acids, means all this waste material enter into this glomerulus. See here, glomerulus is very thin. Diameter of the glomerulus is very thin pipeline, whereas diameter of the Bowman cap is big. Because of this difference in diameter, here in the Bowman cap, the urine, urea, uric acid, etc. waste materials are filtered and it enter into this pipeline. Through the Henle's loop, it enter into the collecting tubules, and collecting tubules is connected with ureter, and ureters is connected with urinary bladder. That means urea, uric acid, nitrogenous substance and waste gases and material enter into urinary bladder, and after that it comes out from the urethra. But some glucose particles, amino acids, some protein particles, fat means glycogen, etc. Suppose it enter here into the glomerulus, then it does not filter it, but once again it come back to the renal vein, and renal vein is connected with what? Inferior and superior vena cava in the heart. We have learned excretion in human being. In the same way, the last topic of your lesson is excretion in plants. Plants also do their biological process daily, and that's why during their biological process, during their metabolism, they produce some waste material also. These waste materials in the plants are stored in the vacuoles. Stored in the vacuoles. Sometimes it's stored into leaves also. You know that during autumn season, when leaves shed off and new leaves are formed. Shading off of leaves. That is what? The waste material enter into the leaves in such a way that leaves converts their color from green to yellow, and then it shed off. Shading off of leaves is due to some hormones also. Okay? Some old xylums, old phloems also degrade it, and it form resins, it form gums, it form tannins. Okay, and all these are stored into the bark of the tree. All these things, resins, gums and tannins, etc. are stored into the bark of the tree, and then bark shedded off. So in this way, plant get rid of their waste material. They leave their waste material in this way. That is called excretion in plants. That's it for this chapter. Remember one thing, this is the most important chapter according to examination point of view, and you have to learn it thoroughly. Repeat this video again and again and try to learn. That's it.